BrickTrains, and I'm Joey, and today I got a little Fright Nights for you. So this is set 6099. I don't know how much of this we're getting in the GoPro, so a little dusty. It's a cave. It's part of the castle theme. This is Fright Nights' sub theme. I'll probably get all kinds of hate mail for this one, but probably one of the more, I'm going to use the word intriguing sub-themes of castle. I mean, you get flying dragons and witches in this one. It's pretty cool, I think. Not taking anything away from the other castle themes. But Fright Nights will probably be one of them that I will, delve into first. Probably complete that one before I work on the others. I actually do have a couple yellow castles. I bought one that's was mostly complete, so most of the minifigures in it, and then I got another one which is basically the box and just some yellow parts, but that's a whole nother video. This one, it's got a little damage on the box. Again, I'm a collector, so collecting the boxes and sealed sets is kind of my jam. This one is open. The tape has been pulled off, but to the best I can tell, it has not been open. Nice little Lego Club magazine. It's a little catalog. It's not the official Lego Club magazine, but it's the sales stuff. We got pirates. We've got time cruisers. Some time cruisers. We got aquanauts. There's the Fright Nights. So that's kind of cool. This is also showing, here's the instructions. So 6047 and 6099. I'm assuming 6047 is the wagon and the dragon and stuff going on here. And then the 6099, I believe, is this set with the cave. So if I drag out the parts, they're still in their bags. There's a cape. There's the dragons in there. So we turn around and see the dragon a little better, maybe. Fright Night shields. Essentially everything in here is brand new. I believe there's, one more bag. Minifigs. So just from a kind of looking through the bags, looks to me like everything's here. So I can't call it sealed, but I am calling it unopened, I guess. I don't know. Look at the back here. It's got the scene where they have the dragon in the cave. We've got the Lego Maniac up there. So pretty cool. Again, Fright Night's probably one of my favorite night themes. I believe it was pretty limited. I think it had a limited run and a limited number of sets, which drives it into that unique and unusual category, which is that's where I live, unique and unusual. So quick haul here, or it's not a haul, it's just quick show and tell. So thanks for watching. Okay, here's a pretty obscure comment contest. That witch over my shoulder from Fright Nights, what was her name? She had two names, or at least we called her two different things. I'll accept either answer. So, first correct answer in the comments, and I'll pin you to the top.